a day in the life of a tiny kitten looks like? Well, you're about to find out. Join me as we follow this little fluff ball. Let's call him Moochie. From the moment he wakes up until he drifts off to dreamland. It's a world of tiny paws, big yawns, and endless adventures, all packed into one delightful day. By the way, we publish 2 new cute animal episodes every day for kids. Subscribe now so you won't miss any. All right, let's get back to our story. The first rays of sunshine peek through the window, and a tiny, furry creature begins to stir. Moochie, our star of the day, stretches his little legs, one by one, like a seasoned yoga master. A massive yawn reveals his tiny pink tongue and miniature fangs. His eyes, still a bit sleepy, blink open, revealing 2 sparkling blue orbs. The world is awake, and so is he. First on the agenda, a thorough morning grooming session. Licking each paw meticulously, he makes sure he's looking his absolute best for the busy day ahead. Cleanliness is next to cuteness. After all, now that he's looking dapper, it's time for breakfast. You can hear his tiny motor starting to purr as he trots towards the kitchen. The sound of kibble hitting his bowl is like a symphony to his ears. He dives in headfirst, munching away with pure joy. Each crunch is a testament to how much energy a little kitten needs to fuel his adventures. A quick slurp of water, a few drops dribbling down his chin, and he's ready to conquer the world, or at least the living room. With a full belly, Moochie transforms from a sleepy furball into a tiny, unstoppable force of nature. The living room becomes his personal playground. First up, the ultimate nemesis, the dangling cord from the window blinds. Hikurushiro wiggles his little bottom and pounces. He bats at it with his paws, a fierce hunter stalking his prey. The cord swings back and forth, and Moochie leaps and tumbles, a whirlwind of gray and white fur. It's a valiant battle, and for now, the kitten is victorious. But the adventures don't stop there. He discovers a crinkly toy mouse half hidden under the sofa. Success! He grabs it with his mouth and proudly parades it around, his tail held high. He tosses it in the air, chases it, and pounces on it again and again. Every object is a potential toy, every corner a new land to explore. He scales the scratching post like a seasoned mountaineer, reaching the summit and surveying his vast kingdom from above. The world from this height looks completely different, and he watches the household activities with wide-eyed curiosity. After all that excitement, a little cat nap is in order. Kittens have 2 main modes: full-on chaos and deep, deep sleep. Moochie finds the perfect spot, a sunbeam warming the plush rug. He circles a few times, kneading the soft surface with his paws, a behavior from his earliest days, reminding him of his mother's comfort. He curls up into a perfect, tiny circle, his tail tucked around his nose. His breathing becomes slow and steady, his whiskers twitching as he dreams of chasing mice and conquering string. It's a peaceful, adorable sight that could melt anyone's heart. As he sleeps, we can appreciate just how small he is. His entire body fits in the palm of a hand. His fur is incredibly soft, and his tiny pink paw pads are like little beans. It's a reminder of how precious and delicate these little creatures are. They grow up so fast, and every moment of their kittenhood is something to be cherished. This quiet moment of rest is just as important as his playtime, allowing his little body to grow strong and healthy. The sound of a door opening gently rouses Moochie from his nap. His human is home. His ears perk up, and his eyes flutter open. He lets out a tiny, questioning mew. It's a sound so soft you can barely hear it, but it's filled with affection. He uncurls himself and trots over, rubbing against his human's legs, purring loudly to show his happiness. This is his favorite part of the day. Cuddle time. He's gently scooped up and held close. He nuzzles into the crook of an arm, feeling safe and warm. This is what it's all about, the bond between a kitten and their person. He gets gentle scratches behind his ears and under his chin, his purr motor going into overdrive. He even gives a few loving licks. His tongue is rough as sandpaper, but full of affection. For a kitten, this connection is everything. It builds trust and a lifelong friendship. He might be an independent explorer, but he's also a loving companion who craves attention and care. As evening approaches, the energy levels start to rise again. It's the Zoomies hour! Moochie suddenly darts from one end of the apartment to the other for no apparent reason. He skitters across the hardwood floor, his little claws making a soft tapping sound. He leaps onto the sofa, bounces off the cushions, and disappears under a chair, only to reemerge a second later on the other side. It's pure, unadulterated kitten energy, a hilarious and chaotic display of joy. He might even try to help with evening chores. Is there laundry to be folded? Moochie will happily dive into the warm pile of clean clothes. Is someone trying to read a book? That book clearly needs a kitten to sit on it. He's not being naughty. He's just including himself in every part of life, wanting to be close to his family. His playful antics bring so much laughter and joy to the household. It's impossible to be in a bad mood when there's a kitten having the time of his life right in front of you. Dinner time arrives, and just like at breakfast, Moochie is ready. This time, he gets a little bit of wet food, a special treat. The smell alone sends him into a frenzy of excitement. He circles his human's feet, meowing insistently, as if to say, "Hurry up, I'm starving." He devours his meal with gusto, leaving the bowl sparkling clean. A well-fed kitten is a happy kitten, and Moochie is certainly very happy. After his meal, he meticulously cleans his face and whiskers, ensuring not a single crumb is left behind. The day is winding down, and the lights in the house begin to dim. Moochie's boundless energy starts to fade, replaced by a gentle sleepiness. He finds his favorite human's lap, the perfect place for his final nap of the day. He needs the soft blanket, his purrs a soft, rhythmic rumble that's incredibly soothing. He looks up with drowsy eyes, giving a slow blink, which in cat language is a sign of trust and love. A kitten kiss. He finally settles down, his head resting on his paws. The adventures of the day are over. He conquered the string, captured the toy mouse, scaled the scratching post, and showered his human with affection. It was a very busy, very important day. As he drifts off to sleep, his tiny body rises and falls with each breath. Tomorrow, a whole new set of adventures awaits. But for now, it's time to rest and recharge. And that's a wrap on a delightful day in the life of a baby cat. From playful pounces to cozy cuddles, every moment is filled with charm and wonder. It's a simple life, but a beautiful one. Thank you for joining us on March's journey. If you enjoyed watching this little furball, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adorable adventures. See you next time!